Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to automatically share calendars to new group members in Google Workspace with xFanatical Foresight. In Google Workspace, new Google group members don't automatically see shared calendars. This manual sharing process causes delays, extra admin work, and can lead to missed meetings or miscommunication. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. xFanatical Foresight Automation instantly shares calendars with new group members as soon as they join. This eliminates manual steps, reduces errors, saves time, and ensures everyone has up-to-date access to team schedules for smooth collaboration. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Personalized Welcome Email to New Group Members template and click on it. In the Templates page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Personalized Welcome Email to New Group Members will display. Select the group from the Group field. Click on the Next button. Compose the email body with necessary information, your name, your organization, and most importantly, attach the calendar link you want to share with new users. Click on the Review button. Customize the rule name and click on the Create button. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. First, add a user to a group from Google Admin Console. Now go back to xFanatical Foresight. Wait momentarily and you will get a notification on the top right with the name of Copy of Personalized Welcome Email to New Group Members. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains that xFanatical Foresight has automated the event on behalf of your Google account. The new user's Gmail inbox will receive a personalized welcome message with the group details and calendar link. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.